2020, we introduced the Gemera, our first four-seater.
Car engineers often create powerful hypercars, but this time, they've done something truly remarkable with a very small electric motor. The Koenigsegg Quarq e-motor is a tiny powerhouse, smaller than a human head, yet it delivers an impressive 330 horsepower. This revolutionary motor is transforming the automotive industry, showing that big power can come in small packages. Why is this motor considered more powerful than many larger traditional engines? Let us expose the powerful motor that will outclass the competition and redefine new standards. Brilliant engineering in Koenigsegg's motors. Before dismissing all electric cars as unexciting, it's important to recognize that not all electric motors are created equal. Koenigsegg, a Swedish company known for its innovative approaches, has developed something extraordinary. They've crafted two compact yet powerful motors, named Quarq and Terrier. Together, these motors, when combined with a single inverter, can produce an impressive 660 horsepower, all while weighing less than 187 pounds. It's as if you're able to carry a massive force right in your backpack. One may wonder how such significant power can be packed into such a small device. This is where the exceptional skills of Swedish engineers come into play. Koenigsegg has mastered the creation of an electric motor that not only performs efficiently, but does so with outstanding power and a surprisingly small size. The brilliance behind this innovation lies in the very design of these motors. Before we delve into the mechanics of how these motors achieve such feats, let's take a moment to trace back to the roots of Koenigsegg's path. The story begins in 1994, when a passionate 22-year-old named Christian von Koenigsegg decided to follow his dream of building the ultimate supersports car. With 2 years of intense development, the first Koenigsegg car was introduced. It quickly caught the attention of professional drivers like Rickard Rydell, Pico Troberg, and Kalle Rosenblad, who were all impressed by its capabilities. The vehicle made its first public appearance at the Cannes Film Festival, and soon after, it was showcased at some of the most renowned motor shows globally, including those in Paris and Geneva. In 2002, a significant milestone was achieved with the unveiling of the Koenigsegg CC8S. This car was a true game-changer in the automotive world. Its engine was recognized by Guinness World Records as the most powerful engine in a mass-produced car globally, an impressive feat that involved reworking a Ford V8 engine. Now, focusing on the innovative Quarq e-motor, this product exemplifies the pinnacle of engineering suitable for applications in aerospace, marine, and electric vehicle powertrains. The creative minds at Koenigsegg didn't just create a new motor, they synthesized two fundamentally different types of motors into a groundbreaking new design. They developed what they call Raxium flux, combining radial and axial flux methods, terms that might seem like they're from a science fiction novel, but are very much grounded in reality. Now, some coils spin between magnets. In one type, the motion happens along a central axis, and in the other, it revolves around the edge. Radial flux motors are generally more affordable and are commonly used in electric vehicles because they are easy to produce. However, they need to spin faster to generate maximum power. On the other hand, axial flux motors are capable of generating more power at lower speeds, but require advanced, durable materials to endure intense pressures. By merging these two types, Koenigsegg has crafted a motor that optimizes power, efficiency, and weight, making the Quarq e-motor a compact powerhouse. This innovation does not just highlight Koenigsegg's ability to create powerful engines, but also underscores their commitment to pushing the limits of technology, marrying historical engineering insights with cutting-edge techniques. This ongoing quest to blend the best of past and present technology not only defines the company's philosophy, but also sets new standards in the automotive industry. The Quarq e-motor weighs just 66 pounds, which might sound incredibly light, especially when you consider that it's lighter than the motors used in Tesla's everyday electric cars. To give you a better idea, it's as heavy as a large otter or a young bear cub, which is quite light for something so powerful. Despite its small size, the Quark can produce a remarkable 335 horsepower and a strong torque of 443 pound-feet. However, it's important to note that this peak performance can only be maintained for about 20 seconds before it significantly decreases to 134 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Despite this brief peak, the motor still offers plenty of power for many practical applications. Andras Sekeli, the head of e-motor development at Koenigsegg, highlights that this motor is built with exceptionally high-quality materials. The motor's shaft is made from 300M steel, a material commonly used in high-demand sectors like racing and aerospace because it is both strong and lightweight. Furthermore, the motor features a direct cooling system, which not only increases its efficiency, but also helps keep the motor's overall size smaller. The rotor, an essential part of the motor, is made from a special Koenigsegg carbon fiber technology, which makes it both lightweight and powerful. The motor's lightweight and compact design make it suitable for various uses, producing a steady 330 brake horsepower and 443 Newton-meters of torque. Comparing the Quark to Tesla's models, particularly the high-powered Plaid model, which boasts an enormous 1,006 brake horsepower and over 1,000 pounds of torque, puts the capabilities of the Quark into perspective. Though it seems unfair to compare these two as they are quite different, it shows just how efficient the Quark is given its size. Koenigsegg has used its expertise in creating lightweight yet powerful machines to make the Quark exceptionally efficient. They've even implemented air-core technology in the rotor, which is the same technology used in their innovative carbon fiber wheels, steering wheels, and seats. Moreover, Koenigsegg's willingness to use carbon fiber wherever possible is evident in their production, such as the Jesko's rear wheels, which weigh only 18.5 pounds each. Despite the impressive technology and power behind the Quark motor, the fact that its peak power lasts for only about 20 seconds could raise some concerns. This limitation means that while the motor can perform exceptionally for a short burst, it may not sustain such high levels of power for longer durations, which could be a critical factor in some applications. This short burst of power is akin to a sprinter who can run incredibly fast, but only for a short distance. This characteristic of the Quark might lead one to think about the practicality of such a motor in everyday vehicles, where consistent performance over time is necessary. After creating powerful motors, Koenigsegg's story continues with the Quark e-motor leading the way. Top materials inside Koenigsegg's e-motor. Moreover, the advanced materials and technologies used in the Quark, while contributing to its performance, also highlight the sophisticated nature of Koenigsegg's engineering. The integration of aerospace-grade steel and advanced carbon fiber technology not only enhances the motor's efficiency, but also its potential applications in various industries beyond automotive, such as aerospace and marine. However, this advanced engineering also comes with the challenge of maintaining such high performance in a sustainable manner, especially considering the rapid drop in power after the initial burst. The Quark e-motor, though small, stands as a formidable contender in the realm of motor technology. Unlike Tesla, which generally offers more power, the Quark matches up well due to its smaller size and strong power output. It's an excellent fit for electric vehicles, drones, and various other applications. Importantly, it's a product of Koenigsegg, a company renowned for developing high-performance machines. They've applied their deep understanding of lightweight, high-efficiency design to the Quark, crafting a motor that's both compact and surprisingly powerful. The Quark is distinct from typical electric vehicle designs like those of Tesla because it's intended to work alongside an internal combustion engine. More specifically, it pairs with the Koenigsegg Amara's TFG engine, which uses cutting-edge, camless, free-valve technology. If you're familiar with Koenigsegg, you'd know they approach car design with a unique flair, from their extreme horsepower capabilities to their distinctive door designs, always pushing the boundaries of what's expected. The TFG engine, despite its modest size, a 2-liter twin-turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, becomes a powerhouse when paired with the electric motor attached to the crankshaft, delivering 600 brake horsepower to the front wheels. Furthermore, each rear wheel is equipped with its own electric motor, The Gamera model, equipped with these features, has 4 seats, 8 cup holders, and boasts a combined power output of 1,700 horsepower, a figure that is nothing short of astonishing. At the center of this sophisticated machinery is the Quark e-motor, which masterfully manages the delivery of power, ensuring immediate torque for quick acceleration and letting the combustion engine take over for sustained high speed. Koenigsegg asserts that this configuration enables the Gemera to reach a top speed of 248 miles per hour. But their ambitions extend further with the introduction of the Terrier, another motor designed for fully electric models. Despite weighing only 187 pounds, the Terrier unleashes a formidable 660 brake horsepower. It serves as a torque vectoring unit, adeptly controlling the distribution of power to each wheel to optimize vehicle handling. The Terrier is like a small, vigorous, and bold dog, ready to face any challenge. Looking ahead, Koenigsegg's innovations indicate a groundbreaking shift in automotive technology, leading towards a future where cars integrate the instant power of electric motors with the robust, enduring force of combustion engines. The Quark and Terrier are at the forefront of this transition, merging rapid electric acceleration with powerful combustion performance. As Koenigsegg pushes forward with the Gamera plug-in hybrid and other future hybrid vehicles, one can only wonder about the next wave of innovations they will introduce. This continuous drive towards integrating cutting-edge technologies in cars not only excites, but also brings a slight edge of concern. As vehicles become more powerful and their operations more complex, the challenges of managing and maintaining such high-performance machines in everyday scenarios grow. The prospect of vehicles accelerating to extreme speeds at a moment's notice is exhilarating, yet it underscores the need for enhanced safety measures, reliability checks, and environmental considerations. Koenigsegg's relentless pursuit of blending high performance with innovative technology is reshaping the future of the automotive industry. However, this rapid advancement also prompts a careful reflection on the implications of such power. As we venture into an era of hybridized, high-powered vehicles, the excitement of technological progress is accompanied by a responsibility to address the potential risks and impacts associated with these technologies. The road ahead is both promising and daunting, requiring a balanced approach to embrace the benefits while mitigating the risks of this high-speed, high-tech automotive evolution. The Koenigsegg lineup of cars is truly remarkable, featuring designs that push the boundaries of both technology and speed. In 2015, the Koenigsegg Regera was unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show, marking a significant innovation in hybrid technology. This car combines 3 electric motors with a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine, collectively producing over 1,500 horsepower. What sets the Regera apart is its lack of a traditional gearbox. Instead, it uses a direct drive system where electric motors handle initial acceleration, and the combustion engine takes over from around 18 miles per hour upwards. This unique setup provides a blend of energy efficiency and formidable speed. By 2019, the auto industry buzzed with the introduction of the Jesko, which succeeded the Agera RS as Koenigsegg's most track-focused, street-legal vehicle. The Jesko's heart, a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, was thoroughly re-engineered to pump out between 1,280 and 1,600 horsepower, depending on the fuel type. In 2020, Koenigsegg raised the bar even higher with the Jesko Absolute, which is touted as the fastest car the company will ever produce. Its streamlined design and advanced aerodynamics allow it to exceed 300 miles per hour. Another notable model, the Gamera, introduced as Koenigsegg's first 4-seater, offers both a luxurious interior and incredible performance, limited to just 300 units. Among these, the 2016 Koenigsegg Regera stands out as a powerhouse. Since its debut at the 2015 Geneva Motor Show, the Regera has captured the attention and admiration of car enthusiasts worldwide. It is equipped with a hybrid engine that includes an electric unit capable of delivering 700 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of torque, supported by a 9 kilowatt-hour liquid-cooled battery. Combined, This gives the Regera a staggering total of 1,341 horsepower, making it the world's most powerful hybrid supercar. The car's combustion engine, a robust 5.0-liter V8, provides an additional 1,100 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. This incredible power enables the Regera to reach speeds of up to 250 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Koenigsegg's story goes beyond engines with the Regera, a new standard in hybrid cars. The Regera and Koenigsegg's hybrid wonder. The 2016 Regera is not only a marvel of engineering, but also a visual spectacle. Its design, which includes features reminiscent of the Batmobile, is futuristic and striking. It retains some familiar elements from earlier models, such as the shape and layout, but also introduces new enhancements like sharper headlamps and a deeper front splitter that contribute to a more aggressive look. The rear of the car features new LED taillights and a redesigned spoiler that can be adjusted hydraulically. A distinctive feature of this model is its dual exhaust outlets positioned in the center, adding a unique touch to its design. The interior of the 2016 Regera is just as impressive, blending luxury with state-of-the-art technology. The cabin features a newly designed center console and door panels that are as functional as they are stylish. Almost every surface inside the Regera is covered with high-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber, complemented by machined aluminum accents that enhance its upscale feel. The LCD instrument cluster, inspired by the Regera, integrates seamlessly with the modern aesthetics. The company's detailed press release on these features underscores the exceptional capabilities and design that set the Regera apart as not merely a vehicle, but a pinnacle of automotive achievement. The Koenigsegg Regera was designed as an exceptionally powerful megacar, a departure from Koenigsegg's usual focus on very light, race-driven road vehicles. While other models like the One and Agera are highly effective, offering both comfort and advanced features, their primary focus has always been on achieving high speeds, suitable for both racing tracks and regular roads. The name Regera, which means terrain in Swedish, aptly represents this car's characteristics. A combination of tremendous power, rapid response, and opulence, presenting a sharp contrast similar to the dual nature of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Despite its luxurious features and cutting-edge technology, the Regera maintains a relatively low weight, which enables it to perform competitively on racing tracks. According to car experts, the only cars that could potentially surpass it in speed on a track are other models from Koenigsegg. However, on public roads, the Regera is unrivaled as the quickest accelerating and most powerful production car available. A daunting idea when you consider the immense force and velocity this car can achieve. The production of the Regera is limited to just 80 units, making it as exclusive as it is emblematic. Made in Koenigsegg's upgraded manufacturing facility, the number 80 symbolizes dominance, control, and success according to Pythagorean numerology. The introduction of the Regera also marks a significant milestone in Koenigsegg's history, as it is the first time the company has produced two parallel models simultaneously. Moving on to the Jesko, another exceptional creation from Koenigsegg, this hypercar is offered in two specific versions. Named in honor of Christian von Koenigsegg's father, who played a crucial role in the establishment of the company, the Jesko exemplifies the peak of engineering aspiration, boasting a projected top speed of over 300 miles per hour. Although this speed has not been officially verified through real-world tests, simulations and the company's own predictions indicate that it is achievable. The Jesko is available in two specialized models, one aimed at reaching speeds near 300 miles per hour, and another designed with significant downforce for better track performance. Each variant of the Jesko incorporates a novel blend of carbon fiber and aluminum in its structure, a complex suspension system, an improved engine, and a distinctive gearbox that sets it apart significantly from its predecessor, the Agera. With a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, Koenigsegg has refined this motor to be lighter and stronger than any previous V8 they have developed, establishing a formidable new benchmark in the hypercar domain. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute stands as a remarkable testament to the pinnacle of automotive technology, designed to redefine the limits of speed and power. This extraordinary car boasts an impressive 1,600 horsepower when fueled by E85 biofuel, and still a formidable 1,280 horsepower on regular gasoline. Its torque reaches a massive 1,106 pound-feet, all driven by a specially designed 9-speed multi-clutch gearbox that Koenigsegg builds right in their own workshops. This gearbox ensures smooth, precise control, essential for handling such immense power. At speeds of 170 miles per hour, the aerodynamic design of the Jesko Absolute demonstrates its critical role. The large front splitter and rear wing work together to press the car down with 2,200 pounds of downforce, which climbs to an overwhelming 3,000 pounds at the vehicle's maximum speed. This immense downward force keeps the car stable and glued to the road, even at speeds that defy normal expectations. The interior of the Jesko Absolute matches its breathtaking exterior capabilities. It features a cabin lined with top-tier materials, including abundant carbon fiber, reflecting its status as a luxury hypercar. The car is equipped with the latest technology, such as a G-Force display that attracts tech enthusiasts and pilots alike, and high-definition displays that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Owning such a luxurious and powerful vehicle comes at a steep price, nearly $3 million, with Koenigsegg planning to produce only 125 units over the next few years. With its debut, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute has been declared the fastest vehicle ever produced by the company, and there are no plans to attempt to create a faster series production road car. This model offers potential buyers the choice between achieving unparalleled high-speed road performance and choosing its sibling, the track-focused Jesko, which was introduced a year earlier. The Jesko shows how Koenigsegg creates a car that leads in speed and performance. Ultimate speed with Koenigsegg's Jesko Absolute. Every element of the Jesko Absolute's design has been meticulously engineered to minimize air resistance and turbulence, enhancing its stability at high speeds. Unlike its track-focused counterpart, the Jesko Absolute presents a more refined and discreet design. It boasts an incredibly low drag coefficient of just 0.278. This reduction in drag, coupled with a power output of at least 1,600 brake horsepower and a frontal area of 1.88 square meters, means the Jesko Absolute is designed to reach higher speeds than any previous Koenigsegg or any other fully certified road vehicle. The creation of the Jesko Absolute involved an intense and focused effort, with over 3,000 hours dedicated to computational fluid dynamics and aerodynamic analyses. An additional 5,000 hours were spent on design and engineering beyond the standard Jesko model. The team's meticulous attention to detail involved refining every inch of the car, from its surfaces to its airflow management, ensuring every aspect was optimized to reduce the drag coefficient further than the initial target of 0.28, achieving an even lower 0.278. This level of detailed engineering confirms the Jesko Absolute's destiny to not just break records, but to establish new benchmarks in the hypercar category, pushing the boundaries of what is technically possible in road-legal cars. When you first look at the Jesko Absolute, one of the most noticeable differences is the absence of the large rear wing. This wing was removed to cut down on both drag and downforce, reducing the downforce from a massive 3,086 pounds to just 330 pounds. Instead of the rear wing, the car now features two fins on the rear hood, designed to help keep it stable at high speeds. Further modifications include the removal of the front splitter and side winglets, and the front wheel louvers have been swapped for smoother versions. These changes help the air to flow more easily around the car, improving its ability to move quickly and efficiently. The overall shape of the Jesko Absolute was redesigned with the goal of reducing drag. This led to a longer, more streamlined shape, resembling a teardrop. The car's rear has been extended by 3.3 inches compared to the track-focused Jesko. and the dished design of the rear wheels also changes its look significantly. Both the track-oriented Jesko and the high-speed Jesko Absolute are equipped with a powerful 1280 brake horsepower, twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This engine includes the lightest V8 crankshaft in the world, weighing just 27.5 pounds. The innovative flat-plane, 180-degree crankshaft not only boosts power and efficiency, but also supports a higher limit of 8,500 revolutions per minute. This flat-plane design ensures a consistent and powerful firing sequence across the engine banks, resulting in a strong and distinctive engine sound. To address the typical issue of increased vibrations from flat-plane engines, Dr. Thomas Johansson, Koenigsegg's engine architect, designed ultra-light connecting rods and pistons. Moreover, the car incorporates a groundbreaking gearbox technology known as light-speed transmission, which marks a significant advancement over traditional dual-clutch systems. The Koenigsegg light-speed transmission is a cutting-edge development in gearbox technology, featuring 9 forward gears and multiple wet, multi-disc clutches in a remarkably compact and lightweight package. This system allows for gear changes between any 2 gears almost instantaneously, thanks to the rapid opening and closing of clutches. This feature makes the driving experience incredibly smooth and responsive, almost as if the car and driver are connected in real time, reacting instantly to each other's inputs. Not only is the light-speed transmission system innovative in its function, but it is also notably smaller and lighter than traditional high-performance dual-clutch transmissions, which can weigh well over 264 pounds. The 9-speed Koenigsegg light-speed transmission, including fluids, weighs only 198 pounds. Its smaller size helps keep the weight more centrally located in the car, which improves how the car handles and distributes its weight. A sophisticated gear selection system called Ultimate Power on Demand is used to ensure that the car accelerates as quickly as possible. Traditional dual-clutch transmissions often try to predict and pre-select the next gear based on the driver's actions. However, if the prediction is incorrect, it can cause a delay in gear shifting and a noticeable drop in power. Unlike these systems, the light-speed transmission overcomes these challenges with its unique multi-clutch design and the Ultimate Power on Demand technology. Ultimate Power on Demand calculates the vehicle and engine speeds to instantly select and engage the optimal gear for maximum power output, ensuring the car is always operating at the best possible RPM for acceleration. This results in power being readily available for quick overtaking, exiting corners, or simply enjoying a smooth and powerful driving experience. This system provides an unmatched level of immediate power and acceleration, enhancing every moment behind the wheel with thrill and precision. Koenigsegg has designed its cars with some of the longest front and rear wishbones in the car industry, similar to those used in Formula One cars, rather than normal road vehicles. This advanced design helps the car respond quickly and stay stable at high speeds. The Jesko model features larger wheel bearings set in a lightweight frame, which improves both the car's quick response and steady handling. It also comes equipped with special dampers made by Swedish experts at Öhlins, which are then tailored at the Koenigsegg factory in Ängelholm with sophisticated control electronics. These dampers can be adjusted in various ways, including how they handle bumps and how stiff they are, allowing the driver to control exactly how the car feels on the road through several different settings available at their fingertips. Koenigsegg's Jesko Absolute combines great engineering and luxury features in a fast, stylish car. Complete package in the Jesko Absolute's perks. The Jesko Absolute model, however, is built differently to handle very high speeds with less air resistance. It doesn't have the front hood air dam or the triplex system found in other models because they're not necessary at these speeds. Removing these parts not only simplifies the car's design, but also increases the space available for luggage in the front. Like previous models from Koenigsegg, the roof of the Absolute can be removed and stored in this space, and its suspension is made softer to offer a smoother ride and save room for luggage. Both versions of the Jesko draw heavily from Koenigsegg's history of creating record-breaking cars. They combine powerful engines, advanced aerodynamics, and sophisticated chassis designs with the latest technology to set new standards in the supercar world. The top speed of the Jesko Absolute is incredibly high, though how fast it can go depends on where and under what conditions it's driven. When the opportunity for a speed test arises, the Jesko Absolute is ready to outperform all competitors and become the fastest car around. In addition to its speed and power, the Jesko Absolute doesn't skimp on comfort. It offers features you'd expect in a luxury car, making it feel more like a grand tourer than a typical racing car. With just a press of a button on the sleek Koenigsegg remote, the Autoskin system activates. This system, first introduced on the Regera model, uses tiny hydraulics that were initially developed for the car's aerodynamics to open the doors and hoods automatically, allowing the driver to get into the car without touching a thing. This blend of high-speed performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious comfort features makes the Jesko Absolute a formidable presence on the road, ready to take on any challenge and push the boundaries of what is expected from a supercar. Koenigsegg has upgraded its unique dihedral Synchro Helix door hinge to enhance the car's functionality. The doors now open both outward and upward, providing a broader entrance and exit space. This new design greatly reduces the risk of the car's doors hitting high curbs, ensuring the vehicle remains pristine. Moreover, the integrated Autoskin system features advanced sensors that prevent the doors from opening if they detect any objects in the way, thus protecting the car and its surroundings. The Jesko's interior is a showcase of opulence, adorned with high-quality materials like leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, aluminum, and glass. Buyers can customize their seats with either leather or Alcantara, available in a wide range of colors and designs. The seats themselves are designed around a core of carbon fiber, making them exceptionally light, yet surprisingly comfortable. The seating comfort is enhanced by electrical adjustments that control not only the position, but also the temperature, all managed via the Smart Center touchscreen. This system allows drivers to adjust their seat along with the steering column and pedals, ensuring they can find the most comfortable driving position. Regarding controls, Koenigsegg has introduced new touchscreen interfaces on both the Smart Center console and the Smart Wheel. The Smart Wheel features two small touchscreens that let drivers access a variety of functions with a simple touch or swipe. Default settings on these screens control features like audio and phone systems, ride height, and cruise control. These touchscreens are context-sensitive, adapting to different needs, and can be customized accordingly. They also provide haptic feedback, which allows drivers to use them without the need to continuously divert their eyes from the road. The Jesko also boasts a new Smart Cluster instrument screen that is sleek, compact, and full of essential driving information. Positioned right behind the steering wheel, this 5-inch screen moves with the wheel and, despite its small size, displays all vital data in a clear and organized way. Additionally, the Jesko is equipped with a range of sophisticated features that enhance both its performance and passenger comfort. These include a detachable hardtop with a lightweight frame, power-adjustable windows, and customizable pedals and steering column. The vehicle can be fitted with either a front or rear hydraulic lifting system to suit different preferences. The interior is available in leather or Alcantara with personalized stitching options. The carbon fiber sport bucket seats include memory foam for added comfort, and the car is equipped with power steering for smoother handling. The Jesko is packed with features that make driving both more convenient and safer. It comes equipped with active rear-wheel steering that enhances maneuverability and stability, especially at high speeds or on curvy roads. The car boasts a top-tier digital audio system that delivers crisp, clear sound, perfect for music lovers. For connectivity, it includes USB ports that allow passengers to connect and charge devices easily. Additionally, there's an inductive charging pad for wireless phone charging, eliminating the clutter of cables. The climate control system in the Jesko ensures that the cabin temperature is always comfortable, regardless of the weather outside. The digital owner's manual, accessible from onboard systems, provides all necessary information about the car's features and maintenance, ensuring that drivers can easily understand and utilize all the functionalities of their vehicle. From a safety perspective, the Jesko is outfitted with a range of advanced systems. It features a G sensor that detects the car's motion and orientation, helping to prevent accidents before they happen. The car is also secured by an advanced alarm system, designed by Koenigsegg, which alerts the owner to any unauthorized attempts to access the vehicle. An exclusive Koenigsegg alarm fob allows for remote activation and deactivation of the alarm, adding a layer of convenience and security. The AutoSkin system enhances the usability of the car by automating the operation of doors and hoods with electro-hydraulic technology. This system not only adds a touch of luxury, but also makes it easier to access the car without manual effort, especially useful in tight spaces or when your hands are full. Is the Koenigsegg Quarq e-motor really more potent than traditional engines, or is there an exaggeration? Share your thoughts and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.